you?
Not bad.
All right.
We're looking at about 10 or 12 minutes here, and then right after this, you got another one that could be 20 minutes.
10, 12 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's for this one. You got about another mile and a half, you'll hit another one. If you're the first one there, it'll be 20 minutes.
Oh, shit.
Those are the only two. Then you got about 10 more miles before the road.
Okay, okay. What kind of, what are they doing up there?
Right now, what we'll be doing probably the next couple months, we'll be finishing up the rock scaling off the cliffs.
Okay.
Getting all the netting up, all that stuff.
Nice. That's my first time out here. I'm surprised how much trees got burnt down.
Oh man, it's horrible. It really is.
Yeah.
And we took out every tree that could reach the road, so that's a lot of lumber came out.
Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna be this much.
And a lot of these side roads, there's no telling when they'll open, when you can be able to get back to the lakes and stuff.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
22 is the same way.